Samsung has officially rolled out the One UI 8 beta for more devices, and this time it includes the Galaxy S23 series and some popular mid-range models. Just a few weeks ago, the beta was limited to the Galaxy S24, the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and the Z Flip 6. Now, Samsung is keeping its promise and making sure more users get to experience Android 16 with the fresh One UI 8 interface. So which devices are joining the list? The Galaxy S23, S23 Plus, and S23 Ultra are now eligible for the beta. Along with these, mid-range phones like the Galaxy A36, A35, A54, and A55 are also part of the rollout. This shows that Samsung isn't just focusing on its latest flagships, but is also giving attention to older and more affordable devices. Let's start with the Galaxy S23 series. Users in India can now download the One UI 8 beta on their Galaxy S23 models. The software version is labeled SD1XB-X3ZYHB, and the download size is around 3.1 GB. This update includes the September 2025 security patch, making it not just a feature update, but also an important security one. For the mid-range models, the file sizes are a bit smaller. The Galaxy A36 beta is about 2.1 GB, and it's available in the US, the UK, South Korea, and India. The Galaxy A55 update comes in at around 1.9 GB and is expected to roll out in the same regions as the A36. That means users across multiple markets can already start testing this beta. Now, if you're wondering how to get this update, the process is fairly simple. You'll need to open the Samsung Members app, log in with your account, and look for the banner that lets you register for the One UI 8 beta. Once you enroll, head over to your phone's settings, check for software update, and you should see the beta waiting for download. Samsung has also hinted that more devices will be added to the beta program later this month. Specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 5 are expected to get One UI 8 beta soon. However, at the moment, Samsung hasn't provided an exact timeline for when that will happen. One UI 8 itself is quite an exciting update. It's powered by Android 16 and introduces new design elements, improvements to everyday usability, and deeper AI integration. One of the noticeable changes is the updated Quick Share interface, which should make file sharing faster and easier. AI is also playing a bigger role across the system, from smarter suggestions to improved personalization. Of course, since this is a beta version, there are some things you should keep in mind before installing it. Beta software can be unstable, and you might run into bugs, performance drops, or compatibility problems with some apps. For that reason, it's not always recommended to install beta software on your main device, especially if you rely on it for work or daily tasks. But if you're curious and want an early look at what Samsung is preparing, this is a great chance to test out the features before the official release. It's also worth mentioning that Samsung has been quite fast with software updates this year. The company started testing One UI 8 on the Galaxy S25 series earlier in 2025, and then released the stable version with the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 in July. Now, just a couple of months later, the beta has spread to older flagships and mid-rangers. That's a positive sign for Samsung users who often had to wait longer for major updates in the past. As for the community response, opinions are mixed. According to an early poll, about 40% of users are already on the beta or have installed it. Another 20% say they'll try it as soon as it becomes available for their device. But at the same time, another 40% of users prefer to wait for the stable release. That's understandable since stability and reliability are important for many people, and not everyone wants to deal with bugs on their daily phone. So what does all of this mean for Samsung users? If you own a Galaxy S23, A36, A35, A54, or A55, and you're in one of the supported regions, you can already start exploring the future of Samsung software. For others, the wait shouldn't be too long, as Samsung has made it clear that more devices will be included in the coming weeks. Whether you choose to jump in now or wait for the polished version, it's clear that Samsung is serious about delivering timely updates and keeping its devices fresh with new software experiences.